Hi friends, welcome back to Salween Technologies. This is Srinivas Reddy. In this video tutorial, we'll discuss about a match function. This match function is very important and a very useful function from the lookup and references group. It is there in the formulas tab. First, we'll say what is a match function. So if you want to say exact definition about the match function, returns the relative position of an item in an array that matches a specified value in a specified order. Simply, we can say what is match function means. It is finding the position of a given item in a given array. So we'll see the syntax of a match function. In that, first lookup value, then lookup array and match type. This lookup value and lookup array arguments are required arguments. Those we have to pass compulsory, but the match type is optional. It is not required. We'll see one after another. First one is what? Lookup value. So lookup value nothing but just the value that you want to match the lookup array. Means if you are given a value, the value it searches in the lookup array. So it gives an exact value. The lookup value augment can be a value or text or logical value or anything. Next, lookup array. It is also a required argument. Lookup array is nothing but the range of cells being searched. And the third one is match type. It's optional. It's not compulsory. So in the match type, we have -1, 0 or 1, 3 numbers. By default, if you are not passing any argument as match type, it takes as 1. So generally, we'll use 0 as match type. So now we'll say match function with examples. Here you can see some values in the A column. So in that values range, I wanted to find out this 5 to 55 value. First is equal to match function. We'll use match. In that first we are asking about a lookup value. So I'm selecting C2 cell. In the C2 cell, we have 560675255 some value, comma, lookup array. So you can select this complete range and you can do phrase. Otherwise, you can select on A column. So by default, you will get A colon A. That means it will select complete A column till 10,48,576 rows. Then the match type. So already just now we discussed 1, 0, -1. You can see there 1 means less than, 0 means exact match and -1 is greater than. So now in this example we'll use 0. 0 means what? Exact match. The value 560675255 it will find in the A column and it will pick the value that is exact match. 0 bracket close. Now we'll see 5 to 55 where it is exactly in the 7th row. Now we'll get the result output is 7. This match function you can use row wise or column wise, and it needs only one row or one column. We cannot find match from the multiple columns or else from the multiple rows. So now just I'm taking a value from the column A. So now we got the result 7 and we'll find this one also 5 to 54. We'll see where it is exactly is equal to, again same match. What is lookup value is 5 to 54 comma same thing. Just I'm selecting A column. It automatically it shows A colon A comma 0. Now we'll see what is the output. So I'm thinking the value say 5 having 5 to 54 is not available in the A column. So we get any A. That means not available. So if you don't want to display this kind of error messages, you can write your own error message by using if error. If error, inside that we'll write a formula. So after that you can write any error message. In case if I am giving double quotes, it means nothing, you will get a blank cell. Otherwise you can write any message. Now just I will write like not found. Not found. So there is error inside the formula. Actually the value is not available in the A column, so you got any error. So now I'm using if error function. By using that, if it is any error in the data or else in the formula, you will get a message like not found. Otherwise you can give any kind of error messages. Press enter. Look at there, you got a not found error message because there is an error in the formula. So like this we'll use that match type is 0. This is for numbers, so we search for numbers and custom values also. Otherwise we'll go for text also. See, there is another example. There are months. Just I wanted to find March month, where it is exactly that March month. Same process is equal to first match, then lookup value D3 comma A colon A comma 0. See, now we'll get a result. March means it's the third month. So actually the March, because we are starting from the months also it will be included. So 1, 2, 3, 4, press enter. You got the result 4. In case if you don't want to take as a heading months, just remove this. The shortcut control plus minus. See, now the result is 3 only because there is no heading in the data. So January is the first, February is the second, and March is the third. Just we are finding the position exactly. It may be number or text or logical value. We can search anything. We can use anything as a lookup value. In the lookup array, we'll search and we'll get the match position. And we'll see for other match types like 1 and -1. Now we are going to see about 1 and -1. So if you are not mentioned anything as match type, by default it takes 1. And first we'll see what is 1. When we are using 1 or omitted, match finds the largest value that is less than or equal to lookup value. But when you are using 1 or omit, the values should be in ascending order. For example, -1, 0, 1, A to Z, false, true, etc. So first we'll see how it will work. First is equal to match lookup value. Just I wanted to find a value. For example, we'll go for 34 or else 44, comma, lookup array. So in this range, comma, I'm giving 1. So by default, it takes 1 only. You can give 1 or without giving 1 also, it takes 1 only. Bracket close. See now, 44. Actually the 44 is not there in this range. But still we got the result to second position. Because just now we said less than or equal to. When you are using -1 is equal to match. But the values should be descending order. For example, just I want to know exactly 44, comma, we'll select ascending order. We'll see what will happen, comma, -1, bracket close. See, we got the error in here because when you are using match type is -1, the lookup array should be descending order. So that's what. So we'll select descending order values. So I'm saying 44. So 44, the position is third position because when you are using -1, match finds the smallest value that is greater than or equal to lookup value. So for -1, the values should be in descending order like true, false, Z to A, and 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, etc. So like this, we'll execute the match function by using match type 1 and -1. So this function is there in the formulas tab and lookup and reference and you can see a match function here. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.